Welcome to Cedarcroft. My name is Barbara and this is my channel. And today I'm going to show you 2 spice blends that I regularly use in my kitchen. The first one is the apple pie spice blend, and the second one will be the white chicken chili blend. So I'm going to show you how I make them. They are absolutely delicious. I'm going to bring you closer. Come on in. Okay, what you'll need for the apple pie spice blend, and I have some here, but I wanted to make some more so that I could show you because it's just that good. So the first thing you'll need, 4 tablespoons of cinnamon. As you'll see, I have an eclectic collection of spices. I get my spices wherever I can. So we have 1, and of course 4 tablespoons equals 1/4 cup, and that would be so much easier to do it that way, but I'm not going to. Now the first 2 were a little bit slim, so okay. I'm trying to be accurate, but you know. 1½ teaspoons of nutmeg. And if you know, 1½ teaspoons is actually 1/2 of a tablespoon. So that's what I'm doing right there. ½ teaspoon of allspice. One teaspoon of ginger. And 1½ teaspoons of ground cardamom. Okay, and that is it. That is the spice blend. So I'm going to shake it up. If you wanted to make this as a gift, a birthday present, Mother's Day gift, even get ready for Christmas this coming year, get prepared to make this for your friends and family. This is a wonderful spice mix to put in your muffins. Anytime I'm making a muffin that calls for cinnamon or nutmeg, I like to use my apple pie spice mix because it just takes it over the top. Really delicious. Next up, white chicken chili spice mix. This is so much better than the packets that you can buy in the store, and you are going to save a ton of money. So the first thing we're going to do is put 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Oops, I forgot that these tops are really great. These have, helps if I put it in the right way, right? 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon cayenne powder. That's what gives it that nice kick. 2 tablespoons of ground cumin. 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon, now you can use either cilantro or chive, dried chive, and I prefer the chive. 1 tablespoon of that, and I round that one up. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Prevents sticking. If you want to use arrowroot powder, you can do that as well. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. There we go. And we are going to put the lid on that one and give it a shake. If you're used to using the packets of white chicken chili mix, 3 tablespoons of this mix equals 1 packet. That is a delicious spice blend. So I highly encourage you to give these spice blends a try. They are so much better than the spice blends that you can buy in the store. They're less expensive and they are absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching and thank you for joining me on this adventure back to Cedarcroft. Until next time.